So today we're going to a mental hospital. This is my weapon of choice.
Spinning my way downtown, talking fast.
Do you like my fidget spinner? Se fidget spinner, men! Oh, that's so cool! Bruh. This is the mental house we're going in. And this is the place, man.
It doesn't look that. But what the fuck is that thing?
What? Oh shit.
Oh. What the fuck is that?
I think it's haunted.
Don't be careful, man. Don't sit on that shit. It can...
Whoa! Fucking shit! Oh fuck! I love fidget spinners, man. I don't even fucking know. I haven't smoked yet. I'm going in, man. Oh fuck! Oh no! Oh, I got fucked in the ass. You didn't see that?
That's a nice fidget spinner, man.
Thank you, thank you.
I heard there's like a haunted fox there, though.
Yeah, what? You serious?
Yeah, I heard that.
Haunted fox? Ah, that's crazy, man. My fidget spinner can sense something. Oh shit! Hey, what's up, guys? StreetManTV here. Let's go, let's go. What the fuck is that? Fuck? Where is he, man? Oh shit, fuck! Ow! Where the fuck is that fox, man? Oh, what? Fuck. Where the fuck is that fox, man? Oh my god. Where the fuck is that fox, man? What the fuck? What's up, bitch? What the fuck, man?
Just do it, man.
You mean I'm gonna cut your hair?
Come on, man! Is that a scissor?
Ah, no, that doesn't work.
Just do it, man!
Okay, we're gonna make your hair nice and
I have seen the left.
fuck up.
God damn, man. Let's get that.
We need to keep some length behind. Right. You see this? Back in the 80s, the ponytails were like hip. Yeah, I think he's ready.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bruh.
It's the craziest fox ever, man.
Go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. What the fuck just happened, man?
That's the sound he makes when he's horny.
You look terrible, man.
Oh man, you look pretty good.
Fuck. God damn it.
No, you need to use this time.
Here's where we make hair. It's fucking useless. What the f... There's nothing there. Someone has tried to fucking get in my house.
Man, we need to go. This fox is fucking crazy. I think we need to go, man.
Why so soon?
Because
Why?
No,
I'm just the cameraman, man.
Why?
I don't know.
Why? Come on, we had such fun, man.
Fuck you, man.
What the fuck did you call me? What the fuck did you call me?
We don't even like you, man.
Why not? Come on, man.
You're a fucking fox, man.
No, I'm not. I'm not a fox. I'm not a fox.
I know why they call this a mental hospital, man.
Gotta have a student, man, you know.
Yeah, but
What's the name?
what the fuck? I guess we have to find him. It's pretty clear that he's a human. This is a mental hospital, man. What do you expect? Of course,
I guess you have a point.
his mind is probably not okay. Oh shit! Hey, man!
Oh, man.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
There we are.
Are you guys looking for something or?
Yeah, we were looking for you, I think.
Me? No.
Yeah, we're looking for a fox.
He ran that way.
He ran that way? Yeah, I'll go find him.
Fine.
Let's fucking go, man.
Hi Song, welcome me.
What the fuck? Fucking fox, man!